Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about Cash App Disable Notification tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable notifications on Cash App, whether you're trying to reduce distractions or just want more control over what pops up on your phone. Let's get right into it. First, open your Cash App and tap your profile icon on the top right corner. From there, scroll down and tap Notifications. Here you will see the different types of alerts like payment updates, reminders, and offers. You can toggle it off whatever you don't want to see. For example, if you don't want to get push notifications for promotions or referrals, just switch those off. If you want to stop all notifications entirely, you can manage that directly from your phone's setting. For iPhone users, go to Settings, to Notifications to Cash App. Then turn off Allow Notifications. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, and then Cash App, and then go to the Notifications bar and switch them off there. And that's it. In just few steps, you can control exactly what you see and when, so your Cash App experience stays focused and clutter free. So if you like this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for our upcoming videos. And till the next video, take care and goodbye.